First, simplify the square root of 45. To do this, we need to find two numbers that multiply to give us 45. These numbers are 5 and 9, because 5 times 9 is 45. Now, we need to find the square root of 5 and 9. The square root of 5 is approximately 2.24. The square root of 9 is 3, so the square root of 45 is approximately 2.24 plus 3, which is approximately 5.24. Next, simplify the square root of 8. To do this, we need to find two numbers that multiply to give us 8. These numbers are 2 and 4, because 2 times 4 is 8. Now, we need to find the square root of 2 and 4. The square root of 2 is approximately 1.41. The square root of 4 is 2, so the square root of 8 is approximately 1.41 plus 2, which is approximately 3.41. The square root of 45 is equal to the square root of 3 squared times 5, which is equal to 3 to the power of 1/2 times 5 to the power of 1/2. 3 times the fifth root of 5 plus the fifth root of 8. The square root of 8 is equal to the cube root of 2 is equal to 2. The cube root of 5 plus 2 times the square root of 2. The square root of 5 plus the square root of 2 is equal to 3 is the answer.